Hallo? Okay, thank you. Okay, guten Abend, Zurich. I am very hot. Okay. Thinking about the past of you and me, so easy to confirm that love was all we had to give to someone who cares for you, and you for him. Someone who cares for you, and you for him. Thinking about our past and how we used to be, I must say that love was all that made you grow and kept you strong when facing life. When it was hard to breathe inside. When facing life. When it was hard to breathe inside. We are bound and we are strong. We were young, we did nothing wrong. Did my best to get along with you, as long as you will ask me to. We are bound and we are strong. We were young, we did nothing wrong. Did my best to get along with you, as long as you will ask me to. Merci, merci. Danke, danke vielmals. Ich bin Billie Bird und es ist Sara Oswald und wir kommen aus Lausanne und es ist mein erstes Mal in Zürich und wir sind überglücklich. Ja, überglücklich. Was it you that I just saw? The hair, the walk resembled yours like many ghosts that I have seen before. I did not try to delve into your eyes. You caught me by surprise, like a rabbit in your lights. Am I a beast or a monster? If I can't refrain from loving her, am I a beast or a monster? If I can stand out to desire. In my house, in my bed, in my jeans, in my head, I cannot get rid of you. I know what you've said, it's waiting to be fed. But what are we doing instead? Am I a beast or a monster? If I can't refrain from wanting her, am I a beast or a monster? If I can stand out to desire, and though we will keep our secret and nothing need be said, and yes, we will keep our secret until we both lie dead, until we both. Am I a beast or a monster? If I can't refrain from loving her, am I a beast or a monster? If I can stand up to desire, am I a beast or a monster? If I can't stand up to desire. Okay, danke schön. Das nächste Lied ist auf Französisch. Sprechen Sie Französisch? Rien qu'une odeur qui inquiète et qui achève mon cœur, comme la brise qui s'infiltre dans les barreaux de mon erreur. Il n'y a rien qui remplace ton souvenir. Il n'y a rien qui remplace. Il n'y a rien qui remplace ton souvenir. Il n'y a rien qui te remplace. Passent les jours et passent les heures, il n'y a rien qui apaise ma douleur. Passent les jours, entends ma terreur. Passent les jours et passent les heures, il n'y a rien qui apaise ma douleur. apaise ma douleur. Passe les jours, entends ma terreur. Passe les jours et passe les heures, il n'y a rien qui apaise ma douleur. Danke, danke. Wir haben nur 3 Minuten so. Danke, SRF Virus Komplex. Sie, euch, ja. Okay. Guten Abend und bis bald. Thank you for being very welcoming. For the last few years, at different times, I've often heard your voice instead of mine. How can I get your love and how do I earn your trust? How can I deal with this angry sea and its direful waves? What are we? What have I become? What are we? What have you become? I can barely recognize your face when you're lying next to me. I'm trying to not to offend or take the risk to ruin it to the end. How can I get your love and how do I earn your trust? How can I deal with this angry sea and its frightening waves? How can I get your love and how do I earn your trust? How can I deal with this angry sea and its terrible waves? What are